Hi. Today we will learn how to use Windows Sandbox or a virtual PC service inside your physical PC, which can be used in various purposes. Firstly, we need to enable a feature to get this. Go to Start. Type Windows feature. When this opens, scroll down. Come to Windows Sandbox. You have to tick here. But somehow, if you see that this box is not clickable or gray, then I made a video in which you can fix this error or issue. It's simple. Simply tick on it. And OK. It will take some time to apply some changes. And you must restart the PC to get the service. I am coming back after restarting the PC. PC restarted. Now, search Sandbox on Start. And go to Sandbox. Yes, finally you can see that the virtual PC is before you. This is a PC inside a PC. I can do everything I could do in my physical PC in this. You can maximize it and use like a server PC as well. In this, you can install any app and test them before you really use it in your physical PC. And when you close it, everything is gone and vanished. So, this is how you can simply get PC inside a PC as a testing kit and use it for more benefit. If this helped you, then please subscribe to Joseph IT and let us know your feelings in the comment box. Goodbye.